Good Lord.
This is ITV1. We interrupt our programs for an important announcement. This is ITV1. Buckingham Palace has announced the death of King Charles III. In a statement, the palace said, Charles III became monarch following the death of Queen Elizabeth II and reigns during a period of change for the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth. Flags are now being lowered to half-mast across royal residences and government buildings, and a period of national mourning is expected to begin. Prince William is said to accede to the throne, with formal constitutional procedures already underway. Tributes are beginning to be paid from political leaders here and around the world, reflecting on the King's lifetime of public service and his long-standing commitment to environmental and social causes. ITV1 is gonna take a moment to reflect on this news. Following the news of the King, we have announced changes to our schedule. After Coronation Street, there will be a special on reflecting the King's life. Continuing on, will be the ITV News at 10 p.m. At 11 p.m., there will be the replay of the special program of the King. At 1 a.m., we will go to the ITV night screen. Tomorrow, at 9 a.m., King William V will be proclaimed King. We will have full coverage of that from St. James Palace. At 12 p.m., we will have the local news. At 1:30 p.m., we will have coverage from the Premier League, where Sunderland will play Newcastle United. Finally, at 5 p.m., we will have coverage from the weekend news.